Look right over here. I select the Ultimate plan, and at the checkout page, I just click on I have a coupon code, paste my code, hit enter. As you can see, I save $53 just by entering a normal code. How you can do the same? If you want to do the same, what you are going to do, you will click the link in my video description. When you click on this link, you will come on this page. Here you will find the latest working coupon code for Hostinger. You just click on the copy button. It automatically gets copied, and you will be redirected to Hostinger's official website. Over here, select any kind of plan and just at checkout, paste my code. Maybe you are from a different country. Maybe the currency is different in your country. But my coupon code works in all kinds of plans and in every country. So make sure to click the link in my description. Now, let me talk about why Hostinger is easily the best choice in the market right now. Beyond its unbeatable hosting solutions, they've introduced Hostinger Horizons, a revolutionary no-code AI-powered web app builder. With this tool, you can create, edit, and publish dynamic web apps without writing a single line of code. Whether you're looking to build a mini-game, a time tracker, or a task management tool, this platform combines AI programming, hosting, and domain management into one seamless experience. The best part is how incredibly user-friendly it is. It supports voice commands and image inputs, which means you can simply describe your app idea to the AI, and it breaks the build down into tasks, spinning up a fully functional application right before your eyes. If you have development knowledge, you can even switch to the code view for manual revisions. So make sure to click the link in my description.